Hi, my name is Ronnie. I'm going to teach you how to play music really fast, how to play piano really fast, piano or the keyboard. Basically, the piano or the keyboard um, has two sets of keys, a few black keys and a few white keys. All right. Um, in order for you to play fast, um, we have to cut through the red tape and show you directly using my fingering system. um, I will show you how to play really fast. Okay, basically you have to number these fingers. If you can't remember, just put a piece of tape or something on them. The thumb is finger number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. Just that's all you have to remember. If you can't remember that, I can teach you how to play the piano really fast. Number 1, finger number 1, finger number 2, finger number 3, 4, and 5. Okay, same with the left hand. Remember the thumb is number 1. After that you just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? So, once you know your finger numbers, you're done as far as the fingering is concerned. Now, you need to know where to start. Okay? The starting point is the tricky part. Once you know where to start, the rest is somewhat easy. Alright, basically you go in the middle of the keyboard. There are two sets of black keys. As you can see, 2, 2, 2, 2, and 2. And sets of threes, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. What you have to do is you go in the middle of the keyboard, and you see the first set of 2 in the middle, right here. It has a set of 3 on the right and a set of 3 on the left. The white note right to the left of the set of 2 is your first note. You don't even have to know what note it is, but I will tell you. But that's what you have to remember. You go in the middle of the keyboard, go to the middle. The first white note to the left of the set of 2 is your first note. That's a C, okay? Middle C. That's your key. Once you get that right, the rest will follow. Alright, again, I teach you the finger numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You start with the thumb. The thumb is number 1. Okay, same with the left hand. Number 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? And then, in order for you to play fast, we're going to use 3 fingers for now. We're just going to use 1, 2, 3. Okay? Just to make it easy for you. Now, you take the thumb, you put it on the first note. Then you skip the next, and you put the finger number 2 right there. After you skip, the next note is your second note. And then you skip again, then you use finger 3. That's your third note. And this is called a C chord. And then when you hit it together, here we go, you get your C chord. That's how easy it is. Remember, you use these 3 fingers, boom. You go, I already taught you how to get to the first note. Remember, first note, it's very important. First note is the note that is to the left of the set of 2. Okay? Here's your set of 2. The first note is right there. That's your first note. You skip one, that's your second note. You skip another one, that's your third note. That's all you need to know for your C chord. And then you start playing, okay? Boom. You start making music. That's how easy it is, okay? Together though, you just go like this. Same motion. Boom, boom, boom. So easy. Okay? That's your C chord. Now, to get to the next chord, alright, I'm going to teach you an A minor chord. You move two notes to the right, to the left, I'm sorry. You move two notes to the left, 1, 2. You do the same thing again. Alright? I'm going to go back to the first chord, which is a C chord. Okay, you go 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you go two notes to the left. Boom. That's your A minor. 3, 4. Oh. See how easy that is? Let's do it again. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now we're going to go to a D minor. Alright? Remember you were on C? You went two notes to the left to get to your A minor. Now, go back to your C, and then the next note next to C is D. So you go to D, and then you skip one, always skip one, and then you get your D minor. Alright? So we've learned C, C major, 3, then you go to A minor, then you go to D minor. Okay, now how do we get to G? To get to G, you count 1, 2, 3, 3 notes to the left. Okay, if you're on C, you want to get to G, you go 1, 2, 3. Always keep those 3 fingers together. Remember, right now, all we're using is 3 fingers. Okay? We will use other fingers later on, but right now, if you want to play fast, just don't trick yourself. Just 3 fingers, and then you skip one note. All right? Again, let's start. We start with our C. 2, 3, 4, and then we go to A minor. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we skip. We go to D minor. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we go to G. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's all you need. And then here we go. People will be like, oh my God, when did you start playing music? All right? And you're going to tell them there's a guy on the internet that taught you how to do it. Okay? You don't need to pay. It's easy. No teacher. And it's fast. All right? You use those 3 fingers. You know where to get your first note, which is a C. And you just start playing music. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. You're a musician. Congratulations.